So in this video we're doing a factory reset of the Avalon Nano 3. Maybe you've purchased a used unit or you forgot your password. By doing a factory reset we can change the password back to lowercase root. So obviously you'll need to plug in the device. There's only two buttons. The top button is your power button and the bottom button is the switch button. If you hold this down for 10 seconds, that'll do a factory reset, and then we can use the app to reconnect to put this on the network, and the password will be lowercase root. So hold this button down for 10 seconds. I'm roughly guessing how long 10 seconds is because I'm talking. And then once you release that button, the device is going to restart. And when it restarts, it's going to have that password of lowercase root. It may take a second for the phone app to be able to recognize the device, but once you give it a few seconds to reboot, in the app you'll go to the top right and hit that plus icon and then hit search. I definitely recommend using Android for this. It's way easier. So we'll see the devices there. We simply hit connect. We need to approve the connection on Android. And once we do that, we can select Wi-Fi, choose the Wi-Fi that we want to use, put in our Wi-Fi password, and hit save. So that Wi-Fi information is being saved to the device, and it's going to now connect to the guest network, and you'll see the IP address up here change. If it ends in 168.168, then that's the default IP address. And so I see now it's been added successfully. So now I see that new Avalon Nano 3 on my list here. So I can go in there. The password has been reset to root, so it's definitely recommend to change that. I'm not going to change it at this point. I'm going to go change the name first to make this easier for me to know which one is which. I have two different colors here. I'm naming this one yellow just so I know which one is which from the app. One other quick tip here is if you double tap that switch button, you can actually change between the different modes, so you don't actually even need the app. So you can double tap, and after a few seconds, 5 seconds I believe, it'll switch to the next mode. So if you do that, if you're in low, you could double tap, go to medium. If you're in medium, double tap, it'll go to high. And if you're in high, if you double tap, it'll go back to low. So from the app, you can change your mining pool, all that other kinds of crazy stuff. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thank you.